Hey guys, I will now super quickly show you how I make these decorative elements. Of course you can guess by now how I make them, but just in case it will be useful for someone. Enjoy! I will start with this bunch of stamps. If you want to use the same images, I will leave the link to my Etsy shop in a description box below. But of course you can use just anything you have in your hands to make this kind of embellishment. Since I'm using this paper, which is quite fragile, this is a regular copy paper that I tea-dyed. If I will be using this brush in a regular way just to make a hole and secure it with these flaps, I don't think this embellishment will survive too many days, you know. That's why I will be using this piece of paper. I have quite many of them because I find it useful to use these pieces of paper to make my constructions more strong. You will see that now. Depending on the shape of this piece, it will be visible or not. Since I'm using the circle, it will be visible. If I want it to be invisible, I would be using something like this, so that you can just hide it behind your tags. But I will be using this. I think I want it to be even more visible. All right. Another thing you want to think about is whether or not there is something important that you might cover. That's why I want to make sure that there is nothing important in this corner. Nothing really. Here I have this sheep, and yeah, nothing will cover it. Now I will choose how it will look like on a page. I will later add some more decorations here. That's why I will leave some space here. You might want to go to the very corner or put it in the middle, whatever you want. Now I will make a hole. And that's it. Now this construction is quite strong, and now it will survive being attached to the page, just like that. Now it's much stronger because this whole circle is holding the whole thing, not just this rod or pin. I don't really know what you call it indeed. And now I can rotate them just all the way around. It's absolutely comfortable to use them as a writing space. You can use it as a tuck spot. You can put something underneath like this. And it will stay here for maybe ever, I don't know. Another option is even more simple, as you can guess. You just align your tags, make a hole. Again, you want to remember about some important images that might be up here. Well, I don't really have anything. This time I used more visible brad. This is actually it. I think it's more interesting and more fun rather than using them separately. You can pick just as many as you want of them. And it's up to you whether or not to cover this area. Again, to make it more, I don't know, more pretty maybe, I will use this circle. And also it makes a nice writing space to make a title for some very short story. To make these circles I used a punch, but of course you can just take your scissors. That's it. The easiest way to use it is to put it in a pocket like this. I really hope this video was useful for you, and I wish you all to stay safe, healthy and creative. Bye bye.